Tile is a great choice for many applications. However, grouting between the tiles can trap odors, soil, and grease and be very difficult to clean. We have great news. Introducing Nil Odor's Tile and Grout HD. Grout HD will clean and revitalize your tile and grouting. Break free from harsh tile cleaners. Grout HD does not contain any harsh chemicals, such as bleach, caustic soda, or phosphoric acid. Grout HD is powerful, safe, and non-corrosive. No harmful fumes. Unlike traditional tile and grout cleaners that use harsh chemicals, Grout HD's advanced formula utilizes safe, inhibited hydrochloric acid that works synergistically with multiple decreasing surfactants to create a powerful and safe formula that rejuvenates grout without the need for gloves or respiratory equipment. Nil Odor's Grout HD safely removes dirt, oil and grease, wax, mildew, and soap scum. Use Grout HD on terrazzo, ceramic, marble, stone, glass, granite, travertine, and concrete. Order Grout HD today.